Emmanuel Joseph Bacosa Pacquiao, born Emmanuel Joseph. Bacosa, on January 2, 2004, is a Filipino professional boxer. He is the son of boxer and former politician Manny Pacquiao. Emmanuel Eman Joseph Bacosa Pacquiao was born on January 2, 2004. He was born from a relationship between 8-division world champion boxer Manny Pacquiao and Joanna Rose Bacosa, who worked as a karaoke bar receptionist. Eman was primarily raised by his mother. Joanna Rose stated that she and Pacquiao, who was a regular guest at the bar she worked at in Malate, Manila, had a relationship. In April 2003, 3 weeks after Eman was born, Joanna Rose stated that Pacquiao would still call her from time to time but stopped giving financial assistance. In 2006, Joanna Rose disclosed the existence of her son wanting child support. She later claimed that Pacquiao threatened to kidnap their son if she refused to stay quiet. Bacosa began boxing at 9 years old after being influenced by watching his father's matches, primarily the Manny Pacquiao versus Shane Mosley bout. He was bullied as a child due to being his father's illegitimate child. To gain experience, he joined a boxing match in Tagum against one of his school bullies for 3 rounds, in which he won Philippine peso 200. Growing up, Bacosa understood why he and his mother, Joanna Rose, couldn't live with his father. He and his father would later have a heart-to-heart talk where Pacquiao would apologize to him, which Bacosa accepted. At 12 years old, Bacosa moved to Japan thanks to his mother. Being half Japanese, where he studied, trained, and continued practicing boxing with the support of his mother and his stepfather, Papa Sultan, who helped him train. After returning to the Philippines, he asked help from his father to further his boxing career, to which Pacquiao formally legalized him as his son and granted him his surname. He has since stated that he has grown a good relationship with his stepmother, Jinky. Like his father, he is a Christian. On November 19, 2025, Bacosa Pacquiao signed with and officially became part of GMA's Sparkle Artist Center with the intent of pursuing an entertainment career. Upon signing with Sparkle, he adopted the Pacquiao surname publicly for the first time, after previously going by merely his mother's surname. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs.